We're here by the end day of our course, our hands-on course in Brazil. The course ended a few minutes ago. We are very excited. We did several surgeries, all complex cases, all on X. Very challenging. The participants, the doctors that came, that flew from US were amazed with the quality of patients and quality of care that we have here in Brazil.
I came to this course because it's a very comprehensive course, involved the surgical aspect and the restorative aspect and the digital aspect of the full arch and All-on-X. We cover the entire spectrum of All-on-X cases, and we were doing on an average 3 surgeries every day from A to Z, place an implant, digital workflow, and then the restorative part.
I believe this type of course where hands-on and you do the work on real patients and not on mannequin, for me personally it was great because I can connect with the patient. I can see how they feel. Most patients left very happy. Not even the anesthesia wore off before they left.
The favorite part about the course was that I had guidance with extremely qualified people like Dr. Silva and Dr. Jose and his associates helping me and guiding me through the course every step of the way. And I was able to do some complex cases with very satisfying results for the patients.
We design the smile, we do digital smile design. We do reverse planning. We aim for the final restoration, for the final design, and then we start planning our cases. We plan the surgery, we plan the implants that we replaced, the multi-units, and then we can immediately load the case with a conversion.
I would definitely recommend this course.
I would definitely recommend this.
All in all, it was a really great course. The location is amazing. The program is amazing. Definitely my favorite part, the smile on the patient's face at the end when we did the delivery.
We are planning our next course soon here in Brazil and hope to see you guys here. Thank you very much.